Hello all. I have built an edgeweave application. Edgeview application is the first enterprise-grade local AI agent platform. It runs 100% on your hardware, zero API costs, complete privacy, and production-ready observability. Let me show you what it can do. We started with two powerful open source projects, Crew AI and Llama CPP. Crew is a brilliant framework for orchestrating AI agents with your roles, goals, and collaboration. Llama CPP is an incredible C++ library that runs LLMs efficiently on consumer hardware, but that's just an inference software. So we, I decided to combine both of them, and then the result is HView. So enterprise agent orchestration that runs 100% locally. So this solves three problems. One, API costs. Zero API costs. Two, privacy. Data never leaves your machine, so you can run it locally on your hardware. Observability. Full metrics and customizable dashboards for monitoring your own hardware, including GPU. So this is the first and only platform with GPU monitoring that is going to be available soon for public. So to start with, you run three commands. So this is what you take the uh, clone the GitHub repository and install with pip install. So it will be like pip install -e and install all of them, and I have already installed everything. So then you run edgeview edgeweave status, so to see what is currently running, and you could so it is first developer friendly and CLI plus first platform. So most of the things you can do on uh, terminals. Edge view setup init. This is another command that you run for initializing everything set up, and then you just do edge view start. So that is how we're gonna start all of them. So currently all the servers are running, and LLM server, backend API, and frontend UI, all of them are running. So it also comes with a UI. So we'll get there. So first, what it has nine agent patterns, namely research, coder, planner, critic, and I'll show you all of those on UI. It's much easier that way. So let's see, look at these patterns. You got research, planner, critic, support, coder, data analyst, documentation, and QA and summarization. So let me take one of these demos and run in the meantime while I explain what other features we have. And I'm going to take another one and then run a local code generated by a local LLM. So just by, some a function uh, to calculate Fibonacci numbers. Okay. So this is the path it takes, and it router analyzes task requirements and classification. It is classified as analysis, and then creating an implementation plan, and then runs on LLM and summarizes it for us. So HView also has model management. So these are the models that are currently locally available that can be run on our GPU. So you have seven general purpose, three vision, code, math, reasoning, and fast models. And fast models are basically very slow, small models. Uh, so you got these agents. You can create an agent pattern, select a pattern, and then choose the model you want, tools you want, configure how to run and how many tokens to use, and improve custom context and memory. Uh, so yes, a plan is created already, and let's see if this one is good. So, oh, it's not multi-threading is not even enabled. So we'll work on multi-threading one after the other. So you can also run the analysis on a local machine. We show you what our previous analysis looks like. So So run this. Okay, first is lemon available executing summary. Okay, so this is what the research topic was. The research agent. Um, So first it started with scraping. So this is analyzing the performance of LLM Llama CPP inference model. That is the topic, and then it did some real time web search, and then did some scraping, and then server was temporarily unavailable, and it's available now. And then it yeah, all the data was extracted and fed to LLM. LLM agent summarized it, and then we have this clear executive summary, and this is the key output and insights. So that is how some those are all the tools that are called, and we can see what tools are called how many times, and all of that in our metrics. So yes, here is the function that is ready for us now, Fibonacci function. And this research, like the model pipelines, LLM server went off because it switches between models and you choose different models. So that was one reason. So that the next time you run, it will work. So these are the metrics. We have couple of failures due to multiple models. Multi-threading is yet to be enabled, and we have classification of models that are run thus far. Yeah, so you can launch your own agent with much more control. The goal of this project is to be able to run all custom fine-tuned models locally and to preserving the privacy requirements of each individual company. So the architecturally, uh, uh, this is we have about 34 tools in this. Like so, architecturally speaking, the backend is Fast API and Python 3.12, and LLM inference is Llama CPP. As we discussed, there are several agent patterns that are inspired by Crew EAI, and then there is observability and front end with React 18 and TypeScript, and observability Prometheus and distributed tracing and GPU monitoring. Graph will also be included as part of the plan. Thank you for watching. More to come.